Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama come Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind I share a video. Mema room to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. And returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The best one say lemon cookies. Let's start. See, use 200-gram butter and now margarine. We are now the 1/4 cup powdered sugar aka ho. Vanilla kakra aka ho. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now the lemon juice naka ho. All ingredients are written in the description box below. We call the description box na ingredients ni nyina yeden. Ewo ho. We are no cream ni nyina together. O pese we use hand mixer, obetimi yeden use. Then be a way so I say o butter na say margarine say eye mre. Premier na the 1 egg aka ho. No akoso the egg creamy. And mix we are now the 1 1/4 cup all purpose flour. Egg 1 teaspoon baking powder aka ho. One mixing now together na a form dough. Say na da kwato working surface na one need ni kakra bi. We be boa ama na ye mre. Eti aha no aye ready. Na wa roll. Ba wo the flag akabegu working surface so na wo de atoso na wa roll. Wa roll awie no. Na wo the biscuit cutter akate. Wo sa mod we abetimi e de eyusu. We no na de akoto baking tray so. While baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we ye fi oven. One manajo ansa na wa serve. Here na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our lemon cookies recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.